In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the inbox in the navigation bar to manage your client interaction. So let's get started. This is our social inbox. You need to go to social inbox by clicking at the platform that you want to interact with your audience, for example, Facebook, and then select your social inbox. Basically, you can interact with your clients by using our social inbox. You can reply to them online through Brixbull. Just like Facebook, you can manage your clients on all of these platforms. For example, on Instagram, you have to simply click your account, then it will show the conversation with your clients. You can clearly see that by using our social inbox, you can easily manage your audience on all of these platforms. By incorporating social inbox into your smart social routine, you'll streamline your social media management and enhance your responsiveness to clients and customers.